You are capable of handling the responsibilities, opportunities, and challenges that come before you. You are strong in spirit, steady in character, and resilient in the face of difficulty. You are resilient, adapting to change and growing through every experience. You are courageous, willing to face uncertainty with confidence and conviction. You are valuable, and your presence, contributions, and influence matter. You are worthy of love, respect, dignity, and meaningful connection. You are gifted with unique strengths, abilities, and perspectives that enrich the lives of others. You are wise, learning from experience and applying insight with discernment. You are loved deeply and appreciated for who you are. You are appreciated for your efforts, your character, and the difference you make. You are remarkable, possessing qualities that make you distinct and memorable. You are authentic, expressing your true self with honesty and integrity. You are confident in your abilities and secure in your identity. You are creative, generating new ideas, solutions, and possibilities. You are resourceful, finding ways forward regardless of circumstances. You are disciplined, following through on what matters most. You are determined, remaining committed to your goals and values. You are persistent, continuing to move forward with consistency and purpose. You are faithful to your commitments, principles, and responsibilities. You are reliable, and others can trust your word and actions. You are trustworthy, demonstrating integrity in every area of life. You are honorable, acting according to principles that earn respect. You are compassionate, understanding others with kindness and empathy. You are kind, bringing warmth and encouragement wherever you go. You are generous, sharing your time, wisdom, and resources freely. You are patient, allowing growth and progress to unfold naturally. You are thoughtful, considering both people and circumstances with care. You are insightful, recognizing patterns, meaning, and opportunities. You are intelligent, capable of learning, understanding, and applying knowledge effectively. You are adaptable, adjusting wisely to changing situations. You are focused, directing your attention toward what is most important. You are dedicated, investing yourself wholeheartedly in meaningful pursuits. You are inspiring, encouraging others through your example and actions. You are influential, creating positive impact through your words and choices. You are encouraging, helping others believe in their strengths and possibilities. You are exceptional, bringing uncommon value wherever you contribute. You are outstanding, consistently demonstrating excellence and commitment. You are extraordinary, possessing qualities that exceed ordinary expectations. You are unique, bringing perspectives and strengths that no one else can offer. You are purposeful, living with intention and direction. You are significant, and your life carries meaning and importance. You are important, and your contributions have lasting value. You are needed, bringing gifts and abilities that benefit others. You are empowered to make wise decisions and meaningful changes. You are grounded, secure in your values and identity. You are balanced, giving proper attention to what truly matters. You are steadfast, remaining committed through changing circumstances. You are dependable, consistently showing up with integrity and effort. You are bold, taking action with confidence and conviction. You are fearless in pursuing growth, truth, and meaningful goals. You are hopeful, seeing possibility and opportunity ahead. You are optimistic, expecting good outcomes while taking wise action. You are victorious, overcoming challenges and advancing with purpose. You are blessed with opportunities, relationships, and resources that enrich your life. You are favored, receiving support, encouragement, and goodwill from others. You are gracious, treating yourself and others with dignity and respect. You are noble, guided by principles that elevate your character. You are genuine, allowing others to experience the real you. You are mature, responding thoughtfully and wisely in every season. You are principled, guided by convictions that strengthen your decisions. You are self-controlled, directing your thoughts, emotions, and actions wisely. You are diligent, applying consistent effort toward worthwhile goals. You are productive, creating value through meaningful action. You are effective, turning effort into measurable results. You are competent, equipped with the skills needed to succeed. You are skilled, continually refining your abilities and talents. You are talented, expressing natural abilities that benefit others. You are visionary, seeing possibilities beyond present limitations. You are innovative, discovering creative solutions and fresh opportunities. You are motivated, energized by purpose and meaningful goals. You are driven, pursuing excellence with determination and enthusiasm. You are passionate, bringing energy and commitment to what matters most. You are energetic, approaching life with vitality and engagement. You are vibrant, bringing enthusiasm and positivity into every environment. You are radiant, reflecting confidence, joy, and inner strength. You are peaceful, carrying calm and stability within yourself. You are calm, responding thoughtfully, regardless of circumstances. You are secure, grounded in your worth and identity. You are protected, supported by wisdom, preparation, and healthy boundaries. You are accepted, valued, and welcomed as you are. You are cherished by people who recognize your worth and character. You are respected for your integrity, wisdom, and consistency. You are admired for the qualities you develop and demonstrate daily. You are esteemed because of the value you bring to others. You are accomplished, building a life marked by growth and achievement. You are successful, creating results that align with your values and purpose. You are prosperous, generating abundance in ways that enrich your life and the lives of others. You are flourishing, growing in wisdom, character, relationships, and influence. You are growing continuously, expanding your understanding and capabilities. You are transforming, becoming more aligned with your highest values each day. You are redeemed, carrying wisdom and strength gained from life's experiences. You are renewed, bringing fresh energy and perspective into each new season. You are empowering, helping others recognize their potential and strengths. You are uplifting, bringing hope, encouragement, and positivity to those around you. You are impactful, leaving meaningful and lasting impressions wherever you go. You are valuable beyond measure, and your life contributes meaningfully to the world. You are unstoppable when your actions align with your purpose, values, and determination. You are strong-hearted, facing life with courage, compassion, and resolve. You are purpose-driven, guided by a clear sense of meaning and direction. You are beloved, appreciated, and treasured for who you are. If you appreciate affirmation, let me know so I can do another. But, in the meantime, watch this one.